Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibonani, ule video namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngodaba lika Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Izolo kuphume i-article le ebibhalwe News 24 ithi uMinister wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu ulodge i-complaint kwi-IPID against uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. I-IPID ikhipha istatement mayelana nalolu daba. Nalo futhi office lika Minister uSenzo Mchunu likhipha istatement mayelana nalolu daba. So ngenza le video ukuze sikhave lezo statement ukuthi sitheni. Kodwa ngaphambi bangene ku statement ngicela ukukufundela nansi ipost ebhalwe uMC Menzisto lapha yana ku Facebook wakhe. Bayamazi abantu abaningi uMC Menzisto uxoxa indaba nje zasemajele nezithinta impilo. Une channel naye la ku YouTube ekuthiwa Transformation Live. Ubhale kanjena ke yena. Kusho ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi njengoba esephenywa i-IPID nje uzokwehla namuhla okusasa esikhundleni bese kubeka omunye ozobamba. Bese kuthi hearing yakhe idonse kuze kuphela u2 years. Bese sikhohlwa ukuthi kunomuntu okwakuthiwa ngumkhwanazi emaphoyiseni. Kazi le politiki yase South Africa izoba nje kuze kube nini. Into eshiwo uMenzisto la ukuthi enye indlela le abakwazi ukuxoxa ngayo abezepolitiki uma sebengenelelile bona kuthiwa nje indaba kaMkhwanazi izokhulunywa amiswe ngoba phela uma ususubekwa icala ufuneka ustep down esikhundleni kungena omunye umuntu aqhubeke umsebenzi ukhuluma icala uyothi lingaphela bese uyabuya. Mhlambe lena sekuyindlela ukuthi akhishwe. Mhlambe lena indlela ukuthi akhishwe uMkhwanazi esikhundleni ngoba bamzamile ngeindlela eziningi ezahlukeneyo kodwa bangamkhona. Abamaphepha kabavamisanga ukubhala kahle ngaye uGeneral Mkhwanazi kodwa iNews 24 kulokhu beyi-accurate. Ngizokucaphunela chairperson we-portfolio committee le yamaphoyisa ejwayele ukuhlala eParliament uzwe yena ukuthi uPaul wathini ngalolu daba kodwa manje sizofunda istatement esikhishwe i-IPID. Emveni kwestatement esikhishwe i-IPID sobe sesibona isifaka istatement sika Minister uSenzo Mchunu okanye sifaka i-video le kodwa sizokufaka kokubili. Umbuzo wami nje engizibuza wona ukuthi ngabe sekuyaphela na ngomkhwanazi, ngabe mhlawumbe izitha zakhe sezilitholile na isu lokuthi zimgudluze lapha esikhundleni. Ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho comment section sixoxe nje ngalolu daba. Iyodwa kodwa isolution eyoba khona kulelizwe lakithi asikhiphe uhulumeni ophusayo emandleni. Liyeza ukhetho ngo-2026 asimkhiphe komasipala. Liyeza ukhetho ngo-2029 asimshintshe lo hulumeni sifake omunye. Naye loyo mangabenza kahle siyomshintsha sifake omunye ngoba benza lento ngoba bayazi ukuthi ibabaphethe basemandleni. Kuliwa nawo wonke umuntu osebenza ngokweqiniso ngoba bevikela i-interest yabo. Abababekile abantu ababavotela. Akukho la benza yonke lento ngoba befuna ukuthi kuthuthuka abantu. Uyabona nje eindaweni ezingapha koNanda ekade kukhulunywa ngazo kulamaviki aphelile kuphuma ama-stats obugebengu obukhona. Abantu la sebeqala bebuyelwa ithemba khona ukuthi hey sizobona amaphoyisa esebenza. Kuliwa nalomuntu lo wenza umsebenzi kahle funeka kugcinwe laba abacorrupt. Angesho ukuthini sifunde nasi statement. Ngiyacela usubscribe, share, ulike, ucomment. Ibhale kanjena ke i-IPID iphenya lo owucommissioner wamaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngeinsolo zokuxambukelwa ekuboshweni kwalo oyi-senior correctional officials. Lolo phenya lelo lusaqhubeka. Ukwenzeka kwalezi insolo kwathi kwenzeke lapha endaweni yase Richards Bay eKZN ngo-2023. I-IPID sicele uProvincial Commissioner ukuthi asubmit istatement esifungelwe ngomhla ka-19 kuMarch 2025. Bathi futhi ufuna kwazi ukuthi incwadi ebhalelwe uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi ibhalwa i-IPID Acting Head of Investigation ebeyithi uMinister wamaphoyisa request i-IPID ukuthi investigate yena as a Provincial Commissioner ayibhalekanga kahle. Investigation le imphumela yokuthi bathole i-complaint from umuntu ongaziwa kodwa ilunga lomphakathi bathi anonymous complaint. Bathi ke bayaqinisekisa ukuthi noma i-IPID ithole ama-complaints nama-tip off kuma-sources ahlukene kodwa i-investigation yabo uphenyo labo luzimele futhi alithathe ihlangothi. bathi uphenyo labo sesigabeni sokuqala. Ngakho ke i-IPID izokwazi uku-engage mayelana nalolu daba uma sebeliqedile uphenyo lonke. Isona statement lesesivela ku-IPID. Into esizoyenza manje sizocaphuna lo chairperson we-portfolio committee le ebasephalamende. Kunento interesting ayishoyo lapha uma engasafike nje kuyo sizoyinqamula ngesilande yonke i-video yakhe. Socaphuna nje le part esiyifunayo ngoba kunento interesting ayishoyo mayelana nalolu daba. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngomhla ka-5 kuMarch 2025 uLieutenant General Mkhwanazi beka kwi-portfolio committee. Ivideo yakhona ngize ngenza ama-video awu-2, ngenza u-part 1 no-part 2 la bekakhuluma khona ngey'nkinga ukuthi zasukaphi iqalaphi nanokuthi uliselani. So siyalwazi lolo ongayazi lo video akabuyele emuva nje kule channel abheka ama-video anama-video akho Mkhwanazi awu-2 la achaza khona no-part 1 no-part 2 la achaza khona ukuthi kwenzakalani kusuka nini nento ehle eyamehlakalela ngo-2011 nanokuthi ngoba kwakwenze njani. Angeke singene lapho, ngicela uzwe la.
Good morning, Aldrin. Firstly, I think the statement that they released could be a little bit premature. It's interesting to me to release a statement with allegations like this so publicly when you yourself admit that the investigation is still in infancy shoes. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens now. It does feel like there's a little bit of a political taste to it. That being said, the law and due process must take its course. So it's going to be interesting to see what comes out of this investigation and what the response of the PC in KwaZulu-Natal is.
Yeah. What do you mean a political taste to it?
It feels odd to me that this happened 2 weeks after General Mkhwanazi made certain statements during the police portfolio committee. It could just be coincidence, but something I've learned over time, especially with regards to internal police politics, is that coincidence is usually not the reason or not the case. And in this specific matter, General Mkhwanazi made very strong statements 2 weeks ago about not only political interference over the years, but also being instructed not to investigate certain people by certain senior ranking politicians. And in this case, it does have a bit of a taste to that. But that being said, it's just a feeling. I've got nothing to prove it with. So yes, we'll have to see what comes out of it. As I said, and as IPID has said, it's still in infancy shoes. It'll be interesting to see what happens.
Uthi uyasibona istatement esibhalwe i-IPID kodwa ngesingaye bekungafanele isibhale istatement ekubeni yazi ukuthi i-investigation isesekuqaleni abakabi nalutho oluphathekayo ukuthi bazi ukuthi ikhona icase noma kayikho na. Futhi okunye asolayo usola ukuthi lento le inepolitiki phakathi. Uthi there is a political taste. Uze uyambuza ipresident ukuthi kungani usho njalo. Uthi no, mongabhekisisa kahle mhlambe kuqondene noma ukucabanga kwakhe kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi afike njengoba ngithi wayikhuluma ngey5 afika akhulume akhiphe yonke into mayelana wazi walithinta nalo lolu daba lale case ekuthiwa investigate nanokuthi kukhona ama-senior wakhe nama-senior politician ayemnqanda ukuthi kunama case akungafanelanga wa-investigate ekhuluma zonke lezo zinto bese emveni kwalapho kuvuka icase enje uthi kodwa uyacabangela ngeke asho lutho kodwa nje kulindele ukuthi umthetho uthathe indawo yawo kodwa ngaba i-coincidence na kuqondene asazi-ke sizozwa maqhubeka isikhathi kodwa nje lonke akusho ukuthi naye akanabufakazi bokubheka up lento ayishoyo i-feeling njanayo ukuthi kuyi-coincidence kanjani kodwa uyasola ukuthi ipolitiki ngoba vele kujwayelekile ukuthi amaphoyisa anama-internal politics bese eyenza lento le yenzeka kuMkhwanazi. So yingakho-ke ngithe nje funa ngemcapho noba i-interesting lento ayishoyo kimi kanti uMkhwanazi ushilo wathi inkinga yakhe yazenza ukuthi amiswe emsebenzini ngo-2011 waze wa-investigatewa yena kodwa akekho waphuma nama-results ukuthi umiseleni utholakaleni yingoba kune-senior politician aye-investigate indaba yawo. So ngaleso sikhathi-ke base bethatha isinqumo sokuthi abammise ngoba wayengafuni ukuyiyeka leyo case yaleyo politician. Asicaphuneke istatement sika Baba Senzo Mchunu bese siyivala ivideo. Ngithi nje ngiku-update kodwa ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho. Istatement lesi siphume ngomhla ka-17 kuMarch 2025. Isihloko saso sithi Minister of Police welcome IPID statement on KZN Provincial Commissioner matter. Sithi-ke uMinister wamaphoyisa uMnumzane uSenzo Mchunu usekuqaphelile i-article ekhishwe i-News 24 mayelana nodaba le-complaint efayilwe ne-Independent Police Investigative Directorate eyaziwa nge-IPID ngodaba lika-Commissioner wamaphoyisa kwaZulu Natal. Futhi ne-IPID sisikhiphile istatement ilungisa iphutha elikhona kwi-article. Angakuphawula yena Malone ngalolu daba ukuthi bayesemukela futhi bayahambisana bayasincoma istatement esenziwe yi-IPID mayelana nalolu daba. Akafuni ukuphinda nento eyodwa elobesha ukuthi yena akazange aze ale i-complaint against Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Akafuni futhi ukuphawula nje noma ikuphi ngalolu daba. Kodwa afuna benze isiqinisekiso sokuthi imizamo yabo yokwenza ukuthi ezomthetho iqine eSouth Africa ibe impumelelo. Ngakho-ke i-South African Police Services isebenza ngokuzikhandla kwi-country yonke, kuma-head office kanye nakuma-province. Bathi uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi njengawo wonke ama-provincial commissioners usebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuthi alisane nobugebengu kwaZulu Natal. Lokho kuyabonakala futhi uMinister wamaphoyisa uyakubona. UMinister wamaphoyisa usupporta bonke o-provincial commissioners emzameni yabo wonke ngaso sonke futhi isikhathi. Futhi uMinister wamaphoyisa usebenzela ukuthi umthetho kufanele wenze yonke into ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ulwe nobugebengu. Uthi-ke njengoba i-IPID izimele futhi kuyiyo e-conduct investigation eyenza ngale kwe-influence evele eceleni, isinqumo sayo mayelana nodaba lolu izosithatha yona ngokuzimela independently. Isona statement lesi esikhishwe-ke uMinister wamaphoyisa uBaba Senzo Mchunu. Asazi-ke sizozwa ekugcineni kodwa yena uyahambelana nento eyenziwe i-IPID. Uyahambelana nayo impela, uyayisupporta, uyayincoma into eyenziwe i-IPID. Sizozwa ngabo kodwa-ke kuyiphepha eladlulile babe report ukuthi uMinister Provincial Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi bafuna ukumkhipha vele ngoba kune-tension between yena no Minister uSenzo Mchunu. Ingakho ngibuza ekuqaleni ngathi ngabe sekukuphela kukaMkhwanazi na. Sizobona, sizozwa khona. Kodwa nje mina ithembe emaphoyiseni selingiphelele ngoba sengibonile ukuthi amaphoyisa asebenza ngokuzikhandla kwenziwa sure ukuthi ayakhishwe ekhundleni. Sale lawe siwabuka enza ukungcola nsuku zonke zikaThixo. Ngicela-ke ukuthi ngime la ngizwe ukuthi wena uphala uthini ngalolu daba. Sizolilandela nje sizonazisa kukho konke okwenzakalayo. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga. Ngicela ucomment, ulike, ushare.